Narito tayo ngayon sa Aurora State College of Technology para makiisa at makinig sa Nature Conservation Talk for Wildlife, particularly Philippine Eagle. Sa ginanap na programa, nagbahagi ng kaalaman si Dr. Robert Kennedy, isang American ornithologist na kilala para sa conservation of the Philippine Eagle at author ng Guide to Philippine Birds kung paano nga ba maiingatan ang kalikasan.
You can personally protect the environment, and you can do what each of you can do in a small way. Even if you're at your house, around your house, you can be planting things that birds can use. If you're in the forest, you can enjoy the beauty of the forest. There's nothing more spectacular than the Philippine rainforest. But live your lives in a positive way to help the environment. Don't even think, for any minute that any small gesture you make can make a big difference. And again, if I haven't had any influence whatsoever in the Philippines to help with the conservation here, you can see what one individual can do. One of the goals we had when we came back, or I came back, it was to help promote peace and health as well as the Philippine Eagle. And so we targeted the Bataan Death March route from Mariveles to San Fernando in Luzon. It's 102 kilometers. For me, there's nothing more important than the protection of the naturalness and natural beauty of an area. And it's abundant here. You have one of the most, as I said, one of the most beautiful places on the planet. And so I am giving back financially as much as I can to the Philippine Eagle Conservation Program, which is your national bird. And I hope that all of you will help to protect that in the future. And
mahalaga umano na iisang objective sa pag-iingat sa Philippine Eagle.
The best thing that can happen is that everybody has the same objective and that they all work together toward that objective. There's no room for, we want to do it, you can't do it, or blocking somebody from doing it. I suggest the issue is huge to save the rainforests and the eagles. And for any energy to be wasted and we want to do it and we're going to not let you do it, there should be a concerted effort, not only among the NGOs and the government and NGO government working together. But again, I think it goes beyond that. It's every citizen. Every person in this room should have a part of their life devoted to ensuring that the naturalness and beauty of this country is preserved. And the eagle is really just a symbol of that.
Matapos ang conservation talk at Q&A, nagsagawa rin ng book signing para sa mga nakabili ng libro ni Doc Kennedy. Ayon kay Noel Dulay, Tourism Officer ng Maria Aurora, bumisita dito ang author upang ipagdiwang ang 50th anniversary na mula noong unang pagpunta niya dito sa Pilipinas.
Si Doc Kennedy ay nagse-celebrate ng kanyang 50 years in coming in the Philippines. So, yun po, for the celebration ng pagdating niya sa Pilipinas as a Peace Corps volunteer with the conservation for a bird in the Philippines. So, madagdag kwento ko lang po na in 1978, doon po unang nakarating si Dr. Robert Kennedy sa Aurora. At doon po, noong June 1978, ay meron pong isang captured eaglet o maliit na monkey-eating eagle noon na nakuha sa Barangay Jaat. At ito po ay nasa pangangalaga ng Simon Brothers. Yun pong agila na yun ay pinangalan ng Aurora at yun po ay tinransfer sa Davao right after na makuha yun. And dun po yun na natili sa Davao Center. Ay may na-publish na libro na ginagamit po natin dito sa Pilipinas, na ginagawa nating Biblia pagdating po sa pag-aaral tungkol po sa iba't ibang uri ng ibon matatagpuan dito sa atin sa bansang Pilipinas.
Ang programa ay dinaluhan ng mga mula sa Baler Youth Organizations, Wild Birds of Aurora, diver mula sa Blue Water, Daluhay, mga estudyante ng forestry na mula sa Dinapige, Kasiguran at Aurora State College of Technology. Para sa RTV Frontline, Polintilo, nagbabalita.